This guy went potty! I just want to say, you're not alone. Now we are going to grab Starbucks. Marcus will get a little steamer and then we're gonna go home. Oh no, potty! Anytime I put him back in a diaper, it's just gonna be backtracking. Good morning, guys. So today is October 17th, I think. I don't even know what day it is. Anyways, but we are in full potty training swing over here, and I thought I would film it and take you guys along on the journey because, well, I've done it before. I was a nanny for like 6 months back when I was like 20 or 21, and I potty trained a 2-year-old little girl, which went great. The method I used was awesome, so I might make a video about that. But yeah, Marcus is on day 4 technically, but on day 2 I completely forgot we were potty training and he was in a diaper all day. But yeah, he's on day 3 now, and it's only 8:30 in the morning. So far he hasn't had an accident. He's been on the toilet once because he wanted a candy, but he didn't actually go, so he didn't get candy. Yeah, I'm just going to take you guys along today and we'll see how this goes. I'm a little nervous. Oh, and now I turn on the camera for 5 seconds and this happens. I'm really glad that Marcus loves to share everything with sister now, but I mean, this is a little excessive, isn't it? So today I felt like doing something a little bit more autumnal with my makeup, so I grabbed my Tarte's Pro To Go palette Daniel gave me for Christmas last year, and how beautiful are all these colors? They're so pretty, especially that bright plum color. I love it. They're so fall looking. So that's what I'm gonna do with my eye makeup today. Hi, cute girl. Hi, cute girl with the chubby legs. Hi. Are you sitting there so... Are you sitting there so mommy can get ready? You're supposed to be having fun. You're supposed to be having fun. Chloe was down for a nap. I decided to go do my hair and makeup. I haven't done my hair yet. And Marcus, for a little while, he was watching a cartoon. That got over. And then he was in the bathroom getting ready with me. And I specifically asked him, do you need to go potty? He said no, kept playing. And just a couple minutes later, potty all over the floor in the bathroom. Today is not off to the best start. So right now, these 7th generation disinfecting wipes are my best friends because, yeah, a lot of accidents are happening. So with the method I'm doing, we practice with the dolly. Before I even tried to start potty training him, we would practice with the dolly, go through the whole process of monkey sitting on the toilet, monkey going potty, wiping his bottom, and then dumping that into the toilet, washing his hands, monkey gets a treat. And so when I did before with the little girl I nannied, she was Asian, she was a really bright girl. She learned in 1 week, and we're on day 3. I have to say it's day 3 since I forgot one day. She learned really fast, and I know that Marcus is ready because he will tell me when he goes poo-poo, and he also stands in corners when he goes poo-poo. So he knows, and he's really, really bright. I know he knows, and he can learn it. So the first day, I think he was really excited about getting candy and everything, and so he went to potty on his little toilet twice that day. It was a really great day, but then he pooped in his pants, and it was awful. And then the next day, I forgot, and then yesterday, well, he did have one accident on the floor, but he also went potty on the toilet, and then I put him in a diaper for nap time, and he pooped before he fell asleep, but it was in the diaper. So that was nice to not have to really clean it up any mess. But after that, I went out last night to run errands, and Daniel said that he went potty on the floor even though Daniel was asking him. So I think with Marcus, we just need to be really specific about like just taking him into the bathroom more often and be like, no, you're going to try going potty now, because he will just get lost in what he's doing and decide not to go potty. So anyways, after he made a mess on the bathroom floor, just barely, we went into the bathroom with Monkey, and we went through the whole process with Monkey 10 times. And with the little girl I used to nanny, she hated that. She already knew what she was supposed to do, and she was exactly the same age as Marcus is now, and she never had an accident again after we had to go through it 10 times. But doing it with Marcus, he thought it was a game because he loves being a good daddy to his monkey. It's so sweet. He went through the whole 10 times. Like, this is a long, lengthy process. It takes time, and he went through the whole 10 times happy about it. And he loved taking care of Monkey. So I'm a little worried about this, but he was upset that he didn't get candy. Monkey got the candy. So hopefully he will still be motivated by food, by the candy. Anyways, so yeah, and then I cleaned up the mess with him in the room, and when it happened and while we were cleaning it up, I just was very firm, like, no, we do not go potty on the floor. We go potty in the toilet. And so he knows, and I think now it's just down to his will, because he's so smart that I know he can do it, but he is very stubborn, and I know that that's the only thing getting in the way. So hopefully it goes well this week. It's gonna be a long week, and I'm actually gonna drive out when Chloe wakes up from nap time. I'm gonna drive out to the mobile home that Daniel's flipping right now, and film a not get ready with me, film the house tour of that mobile home. And I'm like, do I just put Marcus in a diaper to make it easy, or do I actually you know, take him in his underwear and bring the potty? And I think I'm gonna do the latter, because now that we're like in the midst of it, I just feel like any time I put him back in a diaper, it's just gonna be backtracking, because he'll think that it's easy again. So anyways, that's where we are. I need to go find Marcus, make sure he's doing all right, because it is way too quiet out there. So Marcus was getting really fussy, and just I could tell he was really tired, so I went to put him down for a nap, and this one was awake. So it looks like Mommy doesn't get a break today, does she? She just wants to be held too. I think it's because she has a little cold right now. It's nothing bad, but she's just being a little bit more, she's happy, happy, but wanting to be held all the time today, which makes it a little difficult to do things that need to be done. But I have to remind myself, she is what is most important anyways, so who cares if the bed is unmade, who cares if the dishes are unwashed? Like, this little girl is the most important thing, right? So Daniel texted me and said that he's busy with another job, and it's not even going to be home, or not even going to be at the mobile home for me to go and film that video. So I got all ready for today, got on a fall outfit, and we're not even going anywhere. But it's okay, because it feels good to be ready. For the last few days I've been really just had no energy or motivation, and I've just gone makeup free and everything. So it does feel good to be ready for the day for a change. Yeah, and we'll just have to figure out something else to do, huh? Yeah, we'll have to figure out something else. Anyways, if you guys follow me on Instagram, you will see that I posted this video, or this outfit today. If you guys don't already follow me, my Instagram is at JustineMarie55. Put it on the screen. I like to share things like just what I'm going through motherhood wise. Sometimes it's spiritual thoughts, or my outfit of the day. It's just fun stuff like that too. So follow us over on Instagram. A lot of it is like family related, because that's just kind of where we're at right now. You're so beautiful. Oh man, you make everything worth it. Whoa! So Marcus is now awake and Chloe is napping, which she'll probably only nap for about 15 minutes more. So Marcus and I just ate lunch. I made a salad. I'm trying to like see if I have no energy and no motivation because of my diet, so I'm trying to eat really, really healthy. So I had a really good salad with I'll show you. It's just this Trader Joe's hummus. It's a quartet, and I had it with the roasted garlic part. It was really yummy, and then some guac and everything. And Marcus is eating a strawberry. He asked me for one, and he really loves it. I'm really happy. That's his second one. It's really kind of been a struggle to get him to eat fruits. Like, he's always loved veggies, but for some reason he's really picky with fruit. So if he ever asks for fruit, I am more than happy to give him some. Just don't eat the leaves, okay, honey? The stem. Anyways, so after he's done eating that, we are going to go sit on the potty and try to do that. I wanted to talk about what I touched on a little bit in the beginning of this video, and that's kind of how I've been feeling. I don't know if it's because mommyhood is... Bye. I think he's getting another one. I don't know if it's because motherhood is just so taxing and I'm just kind of feeling it, or because we've had like a long weekend or a long last 3 weeks. It's just been one thing after another. We've just been so busy, crazy busy, way busier than normal. But anyway, so I'm just wondering, is it that, or am I like kind of fighting something maybe? Just because I just feel kind of, like I said, unmotivated, no energy, and kind of just blue, which I thought sounds probably a lot like depression. And I don't know, I've never really, I mean, I've felt sadness before, I've had bad days before, but this just feels a little bit different. And I just wanted to talk about it because there's probably a lot of mommies that are going through the same thing, and we all see Instagram and stuff and see very smiley moms with kids, and we don't get the backstory necessarily. And while I'm here showing you highlights of our day, I don't always show you the bad things that happen, you know, like the moments where I lose my patience and stuff, and that's been harder too, is that I have a lot less patience, and it's just, it just robs me of the joy. The way I'm feeling robs me of the joy of how much I love these guys and how much I just want to play and have fun with them. And couple that with them being a little bit extra needy, I just really don't know what it is. Anyways, I just wanted to talk about it because I'm sure I'm not the only one. I think it helps to hear, it helps to talk about it. It helps to hear other women sharing about it. I'm not coming from a point where I need validation. I know that this is going to pass. And I know that I'll get better. The verse that just keeps coming to mind is, "Why so downcast, O my soul? Put your hope in God." And so I'm just saying that to myself over and over again, and I'm getting emotional. But the reason I'm sharing is because I know that other mamas feel this way sometimes, and I just want to say, you're not alone. Oh, Marcus, you're so sweet. Oh no, potty! Okay, so where was I? I thought he was saying, oh no, because mommy was getting a little emotional. But turns out he started going potty. But I think we ran to the bathroom, and we did get a little bit of potty in the toilet, and he stopped as soon as I picked him up, so that was good. But hopefully he did finish. We're gonna have to try again pretty soon here. But anyways, what I was saying, I know this is a season and it'll pass. I'm sure it'll pass quickly. If it doesn't, obviously I would go seek help, but I'm pretty sure it will pass. I'm pretty sure it's just some little phase I'm going through. But nevertheless, it is hard at the time. It's hard to be happy. It's hard to focus on the present moment. But yeah, I'm just going to wait it out. I'm stronger than it, but God is even stronger than I am. So because our plans fell through about going to the mobile home, I think what I'm going to do is, I just got a couple orders in from online. I did some online shopping, and I think I'm gonna go make some returns because I really shouldn't be spending the money. So I just wanted to show you guys a couple things that I got, some of the orders. These boots came in the order, and then this big box came. A baby Marcus! He made me put him in it. Hey, do you need to go poo-poos?
No.
No? Do you need to go potty? Okay, you tell mommy when you do, okay? So, focus. Okay, so a couple good things happened. First of all, This guy went potty on the toilet all by himself. We had a little accident, but then we ran in. He finished, and then later he told me he needed to go more potty. Sat on the toilet all by himself. I went potty. Such a good job.
You're mine.
Yes, good job. And second thing is this lady woke up. Good morning, sleepyhead. Anyways, I think I'm gonna try to get out to the store to do those returns. Yeah. So it's time for a snack. And I was looking through the cupboards to see if we have anything sugary. And I remembered that Beanfield's Bean Chips sent this to me. So I'm very excited to eat something that's a little bit healthier. So there's nacho, which I already ate a bag of those. So I want to try either the jalapeno nacho or pico de gallo. Oh, that's hard. Jalapeno nacho. They're not too spicy, are they? They're very little spicy. You can't have chips, honey. You don't have teeth. You need to have teeth before you can have chips. Cutie. They're good. They're just the right amount of spicy. I like that. Anyways, they're made of beans. I think it's black beans and rice. They're actually pretty tasty and they're a good snack. I have no idea where they're sold though. I imagine it's like Whole Foods or a health food store like that because they're like gluten-free, non-GMO, all that stuff. All that good stuff. So we are at the mall. I did the exchanges I needed to do and returned some boots that were not what I wanted exactly, and they were more than I should have spent. And now we are going to grab Starbucks. Marcus will get a little steamer and then we're gonna go home. So Marcus is finally down for the night. Actually, I put him down a little bit early because he just seemed to be tired. He had another accident, so we had to go through the whole process all over again. And I'm hoping that tomorrow he does a little bit better. I mean, there was one time when even without me asking, he just went to the toilet and went potty, which is great. I'm just hoping tomorrow is more times like that. Anyways, Daniel's here. He's been home for like 20 minutes and I'm just really tired and it's been a really long day. So I'm gonna put this lady down for the night. Where did you find that spoon? Anyways, Daniel's had a long day too. He's been painting since 10 a.m. with no breaks. Anyways, yeah, hope you guys enjoyed this vlog. I will keep you updated on potty training. I'll probably do another one of these in a few days and just touch base with where we are with that. Thanks so much for watching. If you want me to make a video on like a little bit more in detail of the method that I'm doing, maybe after I know how successful it is with Marcus, because I think every kid is different and not one method will work for every child. So yeah, but if he should do well with it and I remember it right, I can definitely make a more in-depth video about it. So that's it for now. I will see you guys in my next video. Have a good night.